This is called an in-hub. The medicine in here is really tiny powder. You were given this medicine as part of a way to help you breathe better and maybe not cough as much. Because you are the most important member of the team that's working to help you breathe better, I want to show you how to get the medicine from this in-hub way down into your lungs so it can help you. The first thing I want you to do is to look here to see what number it's on. If the number is 0, it's out of medicine and you need to get another in-hub. If the number is bigger than 0, then you're good to start. When it's time to take your medicine, hold the in-hub with one hand so that you can see and read the words on the label. Put your other hand on the top in this little grip and push the cover down from top to bottom until it clicks like this. Then push the little yellow lever down to the end of the purple arrows, and you should hear it click like this. That means the medicine is ready for you. Do not shake it because the powder may spill out. Now it's ready to use. Sit up nice and tall with your head straight. You don't want your head down while taking this because the medicine can't reach deep into your lungs if your head is down. I want you to hold the in-hub with one hand away from your mouth. Now breathe out all the way like you're blowing out a candle. Be sure never ever to blow in this hole right here of the in-hub because you'll blow out the powder. After you've blown all the air out of your lungs, keep your head up, put the in-hub in your mouth, and close your lips around the mouthpiece like you would a straw, making sure to not cover these little vents with your fingers. Take a fast, deep breath in through your mouth until you can't breathe in anymore, like this. After you breathe in, take the in-hub away from your mouth, close your lips, and hold your breath as long as you can while blinking up to 10 times very slowly, or counting to 10 in your head or on your fingers, but not out loud. When you can't hold your breath any longer, then breathe out. Push the cover up to close it, and you should hear a click like this. If your instructions say to take another puff, start over and do everything again like you did before. After you finish, swish water around in your mouth and then spit the water in the sink. Don't swallow it. This will help keep you from getting white stuff in your mouth, which is a fungus called thrush. And we don't want any fungus among us. Finally, it's important to keep the in-hub in a dry place and don't ever put it in water.